Hi everyone, my name is Elizabeth Giovanni and I am one of the Merit Scholarship recipients, and I am here to answer the questions for the testimonial. So the first question is, what was my experience of participating in the scholarship program? Well, I initially found out about the scholarship when I was introduced to one of the front of the room leaders, and through my conversations with him, I was introduced to Edwin Vega. And Edwin has been incredibly supportive of my application and my journey through this process. And for that, I am truly grateful. As a full-time working mom and wife with two grade school kids going through a really crazy and turbulent time, I have to say that my journey, I would best describe it as a bit of a winding highway. And in all of that and all of the drama, one thing that I've really appreciated is how understanding and supportive Edwin has been throughout this entire process. So, second question, sorry. How will receiving the scholarship impact my future? So when I originally applied for this scholarship, I was struggling to figure out how I could create impact. I think in my day-to-day role, I was getting things done, but given the background of Black Lives Matter and the pandemic, I just felt like it was so small and not really enough. And so what I hoped to do with this when I wrote my application was to really go beyond sort of the people that I normally work with and see how I might be able to help individuals and groups really create impact in their own communities. And I really saw coaching as a way in which to do that. 7 months into this pandemic, and hopefully with the light at the end of the tunnel, I've had a little bit more perspective, and I feel like drawing upon my experience as a career advisor and a former attorney and a working mother and now a coach in training, that I might be able to really target attorneys not only in the private sector but in the public interest to help them make changes in their communities. And in the last question, what has this scholarship meant to me? So first of all, I want to say thank you so much for allowing me to be a recipient of this scholarship. It means a lot, and I am really honored to know that you are trusting me to be an ambassador for the program. And I'm really thrilled. And I know that I'm probably a little slower on the path than others, but I am so amazed about the learning that I have gotten through CTI, and I'm really excited about helping other people create a life for themselves and for their communities that brings joy, creates impact, and leads to lasting change. Thank you.